Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to enter Kraken Pool. To begin, understand that Kraken's staking service lets you earn rewards on your crypto. It's a simple process where you commit your digital assets to support the network's operations. This method provides a way to grow your holdings directly within your Kraken account, offering a clear path to passive income. Before you can start, ensure your Kraken account is fully verified. This is a crucial first step for security and compliance. Also, check that staking is available in your geographical region for the specific cryptocurrencies you wish to stake. Remember, each asset has a minimum amount required to begin earning rewards, so confirm those details. To stake your assets, log into your Kraken account and find the Earn section. Here, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies eligible for staking. Choose the one you prefer, then simply enter the amount you want to commit. Review the details, including the estimated annual yield, and confirm your staking transaction. It's that easy to get started. Once staked, your rewards will begin accumulating and are usually paid out regularly, often on a weekly basis. You can easily track your earnings directly in your Kraken account. If you decide to unstake your assets, be aware that some cryptocurrencies have a brief unbonding period, which can range from immediate to a few days. You maintain full control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.